Streamline Backshop presents a brief demonstration of our latest install project. Today we have a Kato AC4400CW that sports a ZIMO MX645 sound decoder. The installation has been upgraded with LED lighting for the front headlight, as well as the ditch lights. Of course, the BNSF didn't have flashing ditch lights, but for the sake of this demonstration, I've programmed them to flash. The ZIMO is well known for the quality of their motor control, so I'll run through one more time some of the operation of that. The engine is just absolutely silky smooth. Sound is crisp and clear. The horn is blaring. Take us up to speed step 6 here. Now I'm going to put it in shunting mode, which basically halves the speed. So it's 0, reverse the direction. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to put this on, put it back in forward. This is speed step 1. Count the ties. Now I'm going to go to shunting mode, which is basically a half a speed step. So that's 0.5 speed steps. That is absolutely silky smooth and as slow as you can possibly move an engine, I think. I'm not... Looks like there's about 6 seconds of tie. A tie gap, actually, so... super smooth. Super slow running. That's straight out of the box without any adjustment to the motor control. Again, this is a Kato AC4400CW that features an a ZIMO MX645 sound decoder with a pair of 28mm speakers in the tender. Come visit us on the web at www.sbs4dcc.com. Thanks and enjoy.